To our channel. This session I am going to discuss about the matrix addition program. So in this program I am taking two 3 cross 3 matrix, just adding these two values you can get the result. Before I start up the program, first I clearly explain the matrix calculations. So manual calculation. Here I am taking the two matrix 3 cross 3 matrix that namely called as matrix A and matrix B. Just you adding these two elements you can get the result. So first matrix A, in this row first element you take, and matrix B the first element. You just adding these two element value F0 plus 0 1. The result is F1. Then you consider the second element of matrix A and matrix B, 0 2 plus E1. The result is E3. Now we go to the third element, 0 3 plus D2. The result is D5. Then we focus on the second row of matrix A and matrix B. The first element 0 4 and C3. 0 4 and C3. The result is C7. The second element 0 5 plus B4. The result is B9. The third element 0 6 plus A5. The result is A, B. Now we go to the third row of matrix A and matrix B. The first element is 0 7. Matrix B first element is 96. Just you are adding these two values. The result is 9D. The second element is 0 8 and 87. The result is 8F. The last element value is 0 9 and 78. Just adding these two element value 78 plus 09. The result is 81. This is the manual calculation of the program. So this manual calculation is implemented in 8086 microprocessor. So the first instruction is ORG 1000H. So ORG is the origin of the program. The next one, move BX, 1300H. This 1300H is the immediate data. It's a 16-bit value. After execution of this instruction, the BX value is 1300H. Just this value is transferred to BX register. Next instruction, move BP, 1400H. It's a 16-bit immediate value. After execution of this instruction, this content is transferred to BP register. Now BP register value is 1400H. Next instruction, move SI, 0001H. It's an immediate value. After execution of this instruction, the SI value is 0001H. The next instruction, move DI, 1501H. DI represent for destination index register. After execution of this instruction, the 16-bit value is transferred to DI. Now DI register content is 1501H. So far we initializing the 4 register. First register is BX. So this BX register is used to initialize the memory location of matrix A. The next register is BP. So this BP register is used to initializing the memory location of matrix B. The third register is SI. So SI register is a source index register. So this register is used to increment the memory location of BP and BX register, that I will explain later. The next one is DI. So DI register is a destination index. In this register is used to storing the result. So after adding these two matrix, the result is stored in a memory location 1501. The next instruction, move CL, 09. So this 09 is declared the matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix, because in this matrix A and matrix B it has a 9 element value. So this 9 element value is stored in a CL register. So after execution of this instruction, CL value is 09H. The next instruction, move AL, within bracket BX plus SI. In within bracket is any value mentioned, that value considered as a address location. So move AL, within bracket BX plus SI. So BX register content is 1300. So 1300 plus SI value 0001. Just adding these two content, you can get the new memory location 1301. So in this 1301 is a memory location. In this memory location, whatever content present, that content is transferred to accumulator register. So it's a memory location 1301. So in this memory location, whatever content present, this content is transferred to accumulator. This 01 is transferred to AL register. So after execution of this instruction, AL register content is 01. Add AL comma within bracket BP plus SI. Now we get the matrix B, the first element value. So here I am using BP plus SI. So BP value is 1400 plus SI value 0001. Just adding these two value, you can get the memory location 1401. So in this memory location, whatever value present, that content is add with accumulator register. So BP plus SI values 1401. In this memory location, the data is F0. Just adding these two value. So 01 plus F0, the result is F1. So after execution of this instruction, just adding these two content, the result is stored in AL register. The next instruction, move DI comma AL. So whatever value present in the accumulator register, that content is stored in the memory location of DI. So DI value is 1501. So 1501 is the result memory location. So after execution of this instruction, the AL register content F1 is transferred to this memory location. The next instruction, increment SI and increment DI. So incrementing the SI register content. So SI value is 0002. Increment DI. So before execution of this instruction, DI value is 1501. So after execution of this instruction, DI value is 1502. Next instruction, loop repeat. So the program counter is skip the memory location. It goes back to the memory location repeat. So in this repeat label, the instruction is move AL comma BX plus SI. So BX plus SI, BX value is 1301 plus now SI value is 0002. Just adding these two content, the memory location is 1302. So in this memory location, whatever value present, this content is transferred to AL register. Now AL register value is 02. The next value, add AL comma BP plus SI. So BP value is 1400 plus SI value is 0002. Just adding these two content, the memory location is 1402. So in this memory location, whatever value present, that content is add with accumulator value. So this memory location is called the 8-bit value E1. Just adding the accumulator content and this value. Just adding these two value, you can get the result E3. So this result is stored in the accumulator register. The next instruction, move within bracket DI comma AL. So whatever value present in AL register, that content is stored in a DI. So now DI memory location is 1502. So in this memory location, the accumulator data is stored. So after execution of this instruction, E3 value is stored in the memory location 1502. Then again increment the SI value and DI value. Now SI value is 0003. DI value is 1503. So then repeat the loop. Move AL comma BX plus SI. So BX value is 1300 plus 0003. Just adding this two content 1303. Then 1303 in this memory location, whatever value present, this content is transferred to AL register. Now AL value is 03. Add AL comma BP plus SI. So BP value is 1400 plus 0003. The new memory location is 1403. So 1403. So in this memory location, whatever content present, that content is add with accumulator register. Now this content is D2. So D2 values add with the accumulator content. You can get the result D5. So this D5 is stored in the accumulator register. Then move DI, AL. The AL value is stored in the memory location 1503. So in this 1503 memory location, the data is stored. D5 data is stored in the memory location. So once again, you add the SI and DI value. So SI values 0004 and DI value 1504. So after the execution of these two instructions, SI value is 0004, DI value is 1504. So once again this loop is operate. Again the program counter is point in the repeat label. Move AL, BX plus SI. So BX values 1300 plus 0004. So after execution of this instruction 1304, this memory location point here. So in this memory location, you point the 8-bit value. This 8-bit value is transferred to accumulator register. Then add AL, BB plus SI. So BB plus SI, BB value is 1400 plus SI value 0004. The new memory location is 1404. So this 1404 is point here. In this memory location, it carrying the 8-bit value. This 8-bit value is C3. So this value is add with the accumulator register. You can get the result C7. Then this C7 value is stored in the DI memory location. So DI memory location is 1504. Then increment SI and DI. So SI value after incrementing 0005 1504. This loop is continuously executed until it reaches the 9th element. So remaining outputs you can verify in the same way. So thanks for watching my channel. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thank you.